Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Feels so good to be here again, and if this is your first time seeing me in this place, you are definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a simple clean girl makeup look using some of my favorite Nigerian products. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being in this space. And if you are a girl that is still struggling on how to achieve a simple clean girl makeup, then this video is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this brush set from Veninowcosmetics. So we are going to, this is also a Nigerian brand, and their brushes, I've tried it and it's very, this is how the brushes are. So we've done our brows off camera. So the next step, I've already done my skin prep also off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So the next step we are going into is the foundation. Then I'm going to be using this zikel foundation, Skin Fit foundation in the shade New York. So like small, like very small. And I will be using the same zikel cosmetic, their beauty blender. Make sure you blend. Forget to set my face. Can you see? As if you noticed, I'm not swiping, I'm dabbing, like I'm dabbing. So this is the best way to blend your foundation. Don't swipe, okay? Dab. And one thing I noticed about this foundation is easy to blend. Like I said, I forgot to set my face, so we are going to set our face. It doesn't matter if you remember, you still set, okay? I'm using this Kiss Beauty setting spray. You first of all dab it on your, so it's already blended into the foundation, into the beauty blender. So what you are doing is just, can you see? Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see? Like it's already blended into the beauty blender. So now if your foundation is too much, you use the back of the beauty blender. So try to, you don't want to see any harsh lines. So after we've blended our foundation, the next step is your contour. You know, there is bronzer, there is contour, and there is blush. So we are going in with our contour, and I'm going to also be using this zikel Cosmetics Skin Fit foundation stick in the shade Tage. You guys can see it in the shade Tage, or D215. So I'll be using this brush. This is what I'm going to be using. When you are contouring, always start from here. This is where you contour, then you drag it. Depends on your face shape. Dry, always let it a bit damp. So now I'm going to I'm going to start from here. Now I'm brushing it up. I'm brushing from the outer corner. From the outer corner. Because I'm trying to avoid harsh lines. And you see, now I'm going to do on the eye side. If you want to achieve any makeup look, you just need to blend. Don't rush. If you're rushing yourself, just know how to blend very fast. It will be very, very easy. It will make your makeup look snatched. Blending is very key to lasting, long-lasting, and flawless makeup. Can you see? You know, contour gives you that shadow, that structure on the face. It gives that shadow. Okay? So we're going to blend. You can see the way I'm holding the brush. I'm not holding my brush like this to blend. I'm always holding it close to the tip. That makes it super easy to blend. I've given my nose a kind of structure. Can you see this makeup? This makeup is so clean. Like, so the next thing we are going to be doing is our blush. This avour lips. I'm going to be using this lipstain in the shade 27. I'm going to take very, very little because I know this product is very pigmented and I don't want it too much. Of course, it's a simple makeup, so I'm going to be putting some on my hand. Okay, like this. This one is enough. Going in with that same brush again. Then we're going to blend. We're going to apply it. We're going to first of all blend it on the brush. Then above. See, it's even too much. It's actually much. It's actually very much. I'm going to go in with this beauty blender, the back. Zikel. See, I don't know. Makeup is literally very fun to do. Like, I'm enjoying myself doing this makeup like this. It's very, very fun to do. You see the way I'm blending to make sure I don't want it too much. And wow, you guys products, I love it. It's so pigmented. Don't forget your nose. So once you are done with the whole blending shenanigans, once you're done, the next step is our concealer. So I'm going to be using, this is a dark shadow. I don't know if okay, let me see. I'm going to be going with this zikel, what we use to conceal our brows. This is what I'm going to be using again. I'm using very tiny. Like I said, just put tiny photos. You don't need too much. Yeah. Now we're still going in that same brush. I'll get this brush before going in with it. So after blending it with the brush, then I'll go in with the beauty blender to make everything, blend everything well. What we are blend. After blending, now I'm going in with, because I want the under eyes to pop a bit, I'm going with this Nuban Beauty in the shade 041. This is a lighter shade, so I'm going to be going inner corners of my eyes. That is literally the only place I'm going to put tiny here. Now this time I'm not going to be using brush, I'm going to be using the beauty blender to blend it. There is the blend. Step is, what is the next step? Is setting the face. So I'm going to be using this setting powder from Kaima Cosmetics. It's also a Nigerian brand. in the shade whipped cream. So this is what I'm going to be using to set my face. I'm going in again with the same zikel beauty blender. So this time I'll first of all, because I don't want any creasing or anything, so go in again. When you take it like this, still use your hand to dust off the excess. This is how you set. Okay, this is my first time using these products on myself. The setting is very important. Make sure you do it until you're satisfied with the outcome. Can you see? Just go in, then blend out. Do not the back. I use the back to blend it out. I don't know what my dogs are shouting. It's giving that airbrush kind of look. Can you see? It's actually covered. So I'm going to go in the same with the other eye. See that airbrush feeling? Okay. Now once I'm done, now I'm going to go in with powder. I don't know why I can't find my powder brush, so I'll be going with this brush. Products, this Milani, to just set my entire face. Just set the full face with your powder, avoiding the highlighted areas. Once you are done, you're going to powder, contour, and blush. Okay. So I'm going to be using the Zaron, a vibrant color eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using in the shade Rebel to apply the powder blush. Okay. I'm not applying too much, just a little. I don't want it to show too much. So once I'm done, I'm falling out. So once we are done, I wanted to set the face, bake the face. I'm not going to be baking because I don't want too much powder. I'm not going to be baking. I'm going to leave it like this because I'll still dust off a little powder. So this is how it is. And for the eyes, I'll be going in with the with this prime concealer, Nuban Concealer in the shade 046. Basically, I don't want to do too much with the eyes because I want the eyes to be as natural as possible. So I'm going to do. I don't know the number in tape brush. VN41 421 142. What am I saying? I don't care. Do the same on these guys. So because I don't want too much soft honey. Yeah. I'm going with soft honey because I don't want it too light. Let it be in a circular motion. Here, then go in here, go in. If you want it to be too dark, you can go in with cappuccino. So make it a bit dark. We first went in with the translucent shade because we don't want it too dark. Then if I want to go in a bit dark, I will just put it here because I don't want the eyes to be put in a circular motion. In a circular motion.
So I'm going to go in. I just realized that I can't find my liner, so I have to improvise. I used Davy's brow pencil to just line it. So the next thing I'm going to go in with this mascara, so give my false lashes a little volume, you know. You don't want too much, so I'm going to go in with this Davy's brow pencil again. Go. Can you see this and this? So now, after lining the outer corners of the lips, the next thing is to use the back of the Davy's point pencil, then blend the corners to remove that harsh line, because you don't want to see any harsh lines at all. Okay. Now once you've done, the next thing is we are going in with Blossom Clear Gloss. It's already looking a bit, I don't know, so let's just go in with this. So this is how it's looking, and the lips are glossing. I love this gloss so much. Like, so now is to have a finished touch up, like touch up everything to make sure that everything is intact. And I'm going to be going in with the same brush. Then we're going to be dusting off everything, because I'm saying that the under eyes are a bit bright and I don't want that. So we are going to go in with using our Milani powder in the shade medium. So, you know, blend every corner. I think I should wear lashes, so I'm going to wear lashes and I'll be right back. We did our lashes off camera because I didn't want to show how I applied lashes. That would be in another video, so I did it off camera. And I think with lashes is giving this, yeah, it's still giving simple. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to set the full face. Yes, so I'm still going to be using this to set the full face. I just want that bit, you know. So now that the face is dry, I wanted I wanted that matte finish because I have oily skin. This is Flawlessivy Stay On. So this is what I will use. That's what I'm going to be using. Hey, okay. So this is the final look of this makeup, and I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment in this video. And I'm going to be dropping every single product I use in the description box below. Thank you all. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.